What if sticking with Toyota is costing you more than you think? In this video, we're revealing 7 car brands that are delivering better value, reliability, and performance than Toyota. One of them even comes with a warranty so unbeatable, it's practically risk-free. Are you ready to learn the truth about what you could be driving instead? Number 1, Tesla. Tesla isn't just dominating the electric vehicle market, it's reshaping the entire automotive industry. While traditional brands like Toyota remain cautious with EV development, Tesla has surged ahead by redefining what drivers expect from a car. Over-the-air software updates, standard, the kind of acceleration that leaves even some sports cars in the dust, that's become Tesla's signature. And with the world's largest EV charging network, Tesla offers convenience Toyota simply can't match. Consider this. Tesla's market capitalization surpasses not only Toyota's, but the combined value of several legacy automakers. Their advanced battery technology is a major reason why. By focusing on energy density and charging efficiency, Tesla has set benchmarks that competitors, including Toyota, are still chasing. Then there's Tesla's bold progress in autonomous driving. With millions of miles logged by its full self-driving software, Tesla leads the charge toward a driverless future. Don't overlook affordability either. Thanks to the Inflation Reduction Act, Tesla's US vehicles meet tax credit requirements that Toyota hybrids and EVs often don't, making Tesla even more enticing to buyers. Add high resale values and a futuristic experience, and the choice becomes clear. Tesla isn't just a car, it's an investment in what's next. Number 2, Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz has always been linked to luxury, but today, it offers more than just a high-end badge. The brand has transformed, and here's the surprising part. Its reliability has made a dramatic leap forward. The outdated idea of Mercedes draining your wallet with constant repairs no longer holds true. Modern models consistently earn higher dependability ratings, dispelling the myths of luxury ownership. Now, let's talk about innovation. Their EQ series, dedicated entirely to electric vehicles, is a standout. These EVs deliver on cutting-edge technology with features like the MBUX infotainment system. Imagine a digital assistant so advanced, it responds to natural voice commands and integrates seamlessly with your daily life. And where Toyota focuses on practicality, Mercedes redefines comfort with interiors that resemble luxury lounges on wheels and an ultra-smooth ride that turns any long journey into an indulgence. Then there's safety. Mercedes continuously leads in advanced driver assistance systems, combining precise engineering with life-saving tech. Whether it's automatic emergency braking or impeccable crash test results, the brand prioritizes protection without compromise. That's the kind of refinement Toyota can't match. Number 3, BMW. When you think of BMW, performance probably comes to mind first. But today, the brand is proving it can master reliability and long-term value as well, areas that were once Toyota's stronghold. Newer BMW models are significantly narrowing the gap in dependability, particularly with their powertrains and electronics. This commitment to quality means modern BMWs are far less prone to the issues that once led some buyers to hesitate. Take the BMW X3, for example, a luxury SUV that combines precision engineering with advanced technology. It offers a driving experience that goes well beyond practical, blending athletic handling with cutting-edge features like a responsive infotainment system and driver assist technologies. Similarly, the BMW 3 Series continues to set the standard for sporty sedans while offering a level of refinement Toyota simply can't match. BMW is also pushing aggressively into electrification with models like the i4 and iX. These vehicles showcase innovative battery technology and premium touches, closing the gap in hybrid and EV markets where Toyota struggles to compete. With these advancements, BMW delivers not just performance, but reliability and future-forward tech. Number 4, Honda. For decades, Honda has been toe-to-toe with Toyota, but now it's carving out an edge in ways that can't be ignored. At the heart of this is Honda's VTEC engine technology. Unlike other systems, VTEC optimizes performance for both fuel efficiency and engine durability, making it a standout, especially in high-mileage conditions. This isn't just a technical gimmick, it's a proven advantage, giving Honda engines a reputation for lasting longer with fewer issues. Take a closer look at the Honda CR-V. Compared to the Toyota RAV4, the CR-V delivers better real-world fuel economy, fewer mechanical problems, and lower repair costs over time. Add in more standard features like an intuitive infotainment system, and you get a crossover that stretches your dollar further. The result? It's not just practical, it's smarter. Don't just take our word for it. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power have consistently ranked Honda at or above Toyota in long-term reliability studies. When you factor in Honda's strong resale value, owning a Honda becomes a financially sound choice for someone who wants reliability without compromise. Number 5, Volkswagen. Volkswagen has come a long way from its diesel scandal days, emerging as a leader in innovation and quality. At the heart of this transformation is its focus on electric vehicles, with models like the ID.4 paving the way. The ID.4 is more than just an EV. It's a symbol of Volkswagen's commitment to competitive, sustainable transportation. This shift positions the brand as a strong contender in a market that's rapidly moving toward electrification, an area where it's outpacing Toyota in several key regions like Europe and Asia. A major factor driving Volkswagen's success is its MQB platform. This global platform strategy allows the company to build multiple models with shared components, significantly cutting production costs while improving reliability. This streamlined approach not only makes Volkswagen vehicles more consistent in quality, but also keeps them more affordable, a competitive advantage in a price-sensitive market. Volkswagen is also making bold moves to expand its EV infrastructure globally. By investing in initiatives like charging networks across China, Volkswagen is cementing itself as a forward-thinking leader. It's proof that even legacy automakers can successfully reinvent themselves. Number 6, Ford. Ford may be best known for its trucks, but it's proving to be a major contender in passenger cars and EVs. The Mustang Mach-E is a prime example, a vehicle that doesn't just challenge Toyota's electric offerings, but surpasses them. With faster acceleration and higher customer satisfaction ratings, the Mach-E makes a strong case for Ford's place in the EV spotlight. In hybrid technology, Ford is also making impressive strides. The Escape Hybrid combines outstanding fuel efficiency with reduced running costs, offering significant savings for long-term owners. This focus on affordability and practicality appeals to buyers looking for value without sacrificing performance. Compared to Toyota, Ford's emphasis on keeping ownership costs low makes its lineup even more attractive to cost-conscious drivers. Ford is also addressing EV adoption barriers head-on through partnerships aimed at expanding charging networks. They've made electric ownership more accessible. By actively improving infrastructure, Ford is ensuring their EVs are not just innovative, but practical for everyday use. Altogether, these moves show Ford's commitment to delivering both value and modern technology, perfect for buyers seeking dependability with a forward-thinking edge. Number 7, Nissan. Nissan often flies under the radar, but it's quietly becoming one of the best choices for value-conscious buyers. Models like the Nissan Rogue and Altima are perfect examples of how the brand has stepped up its game. These vehicles are now ranked higher than Toyota equivalents in key areas like reliability and overall ownership costs, making Nissan an impressive contender for those prioritizing practicality without cutting corners. One of Nissan's standout features is its Pro Pilot Assist technology. This system merges adaptive cruise control with lane centering capabilities, creating a semi-autonomous driving experience that feels incredibly modern. Combined with Nissan's affordable hybrid options, such as those on the Altima and Rogue, this focus on accessible technology is proving to be a serious challenge to Toyota. Drivers are getting high-tech assistance tools and fuel efficiency without paying a premium. Quality improvements have also bolstered Nissan's reputation. Resale value statistics show models like the Frontier and Altima retaining their worth significantly better, with the Frontier ranking second in Kelley Blue Book's Resale Value Awards. For budget-minded buyers, Nissan delivers reliability, innovation, and excellent long-term savings. Toyota has long been a symbol of reliability and practicality, but the competition is no longer playing catch-up. Brands like Tesla, Honda, and Volkswagen have introduced innovations that not only match Toyota's reputation, but often surpass it in performance, design, and ownership value. The automotive industry is shifting, driven by a focus on sustainability, advanced technology, and consumer affordability. Before making your next car purchase, rethink what's important. Resale value, maintenance costs, and features might surprise you when exploring these alternatives. The best investment isn't always the most obvious. As the market evolves, being open to new possibilities may deliver more satisfaction than sticking with tradition.